We all get stuck repeating old habits. It's what makes me, me, and you, you. But now and then, it's refreshing to just skip all that, to go on a cruise, let loose, and become spontaneous. Become famous. Become spiritual. Become sleepless. Or just sleep less. Become laid back. Become one. Become two. Become free as a bird. Become obsessed. Become the one with something to say. Turn Monday into Saturday. Become connected. Become disconnected. Become sophisticated, or not. Become cool as a cucumber. Become a cucumber. Become wise. Open your eyes and become a dreamer. Or a dreamer. Become more of you, if only for a while, with Tallink.